again to my subscribers. As some of you already know, I recently stumbled onto 15 separate official NASA documents that outline the various aspects of aviation, complete with formulas, calculations, and conclusions based on tests conducted in a stationary atmosphere over a flat, non-rotating Earth, according to NASA.
Died a thousand deaths.
Shit gotta come to light eventually.
I died a thousand deaths. No edits, let's just do this.
Ain't no, ain't no, ain't no, ain't no, ain't no. Ain't no, ain't no, ain't no. Ain't no. There ain't no curvature. There ain't no curvature. There ain't no curvature. There ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps. And I done checked all the graphs. I believe Earth's flat. And I done did all the math. And there ain't no curvature. There ain't no curvature. There ain't no curvature. There ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps. And I done checked all the graphs. And I believe Earth's flat. And I done did all the math. know I love the truth, and I hate a lie. You gotta show me proof. I opened up my eyes. No, this ain't a spoof, so please be advised, cause I see a dome roof sitting in the skies. This ain't a goof. Let me define why the earth's flat, so you can realize reality, it won't be televised. So don't be shocked, don't be surprised. There ain't no curvatures, there ain't no curvatures. These shrines been lying to you. Can I have a word with you? I see ships in the distance, and I'm losing my grip. Zooming in, bringing it back with my video clip. Coriolis effect, that's a bogus defect. If the earth had a jet stream, we'd be getting wet. The moon's a hologram, and heaven's so bizarre. And if the earth's a globe, please explain the North Star. There ain't no curvatures, there ain't no curvatures, there ain't no curvatures, there ain't no curvatures. And I done checked all the maps, and I done checked all the graphs. I believe Earth's flat, and I done did all the math. And there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps, and I done checked all the graphs. And I believe Earth's flat, and I done did all the math. The guinea pig of Earth, even NASA admits the composites are fake. That ain't even a flick. And satellites don't exist, I persist, it's a myth. With a little twist, get it right, I insist. Look at the UN logo, it's a flat map, but it's globes wherever they plant their flags at. They got my head spinning, where do I begin? Mama said that they gon' put me in the loony bin. You crazy? The earth ain't a ball and it's no orbit. These science pricks are nitwits, I call them all in orbit. They say the lunar rise pulls on the ocean tide, but the lakes and rivers never move. Could you tell me why? The sun is close, his circuit's round, but no one knows. Shh, don't make a sound. My diagnosis, yeah, tell the town the earth is flat. No,
it isn't round.
There ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps, and I done checked all the graphs. I believe Earth's flat, and I done did all the math. And there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps, and I done checked all the graphs. And I believe Earth's flat, and I done did all the math. No GoPro voodoo, devices of the devil. No matter how high, horizons always eye level. They never built a curved track for the railroad. Don't be fooled by mountain ridges and all these curved roads. Common sense is the key, wouldn't you agree? Anyone could get a PhD for a flat fee. There ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature. Free your mind in the land of liars and burglars. There ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps, and I done checked all the graphs. I believe Earth's flat, and I done did all the math. And there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature, there ain't no curvature. And I done checked all the maps, and I done checked all the graphs. And I believe Earth's flat, and I done did all the math.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
Have you ever dreamed of going up to outer space? Or maybe meeting other beings from another place? Have you ever wondered what it's like on other planets? Then you watch a science show and come to believe you understand it? You feel empowered by the knowledge and you feel enlightened, listening to Bill Nye and Neil deGrasse Tyson. But then you wake up and you start to see the obvious. Life is just a lie and this whole world ain't what we thought it was. NASA's missions to the moon were never completed. They just filmed them in a room and people believe it. I used to wonder what it's like to be an astronaut. Now when I see them acting, I can't help but to laugh a lot. They give us cartoons and they claim that we live on a ball, but it's flat and it's not moving or spinning at all. Why you lying to us, man? That's something that we want to know. After that, you're gonna have to pack up all your stuff and go.
Space may be the
History has been rewritten by winners of wars. The Jesuit order, Khazars, Freemasons, and more. They pulled the veil over our eyes, and it's time to awaken. Through organized indoctrination, our minds have been taken. It's time we take our power back and we rescue our people. The Vatican and the bankers are like Resident Evil. They may have had the greatest plan that was ever concocted, but Illuminati never thought that they'd ever be spotted. They're manufacturing reality all in our heads. They tell us if the earth is flat, then we'll fall off the edge. But if it is a spinning ball, we won't fall off it then. And gravity is our imaginary magic friend. Why is water always flat when unmanipulated? Why are pictures of the earth computer generated? Why you lying to us, man? That's something that we want to know. After that, you're gonna have to pack up all your stuff and go.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
Dear NASA, it's becoming 100% crystal clear that you and the other space programs that are in operation are connected and are deceiving the entire world. More and more people are waking up every single day, and we are now able to see right through you. But what we really want to know is, why are you lying? Sincerely, me and the great people of this earth.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
The captain thinks the world is round, see? But we all know it's a flat, right?
Of course it's flat. Sure, I know the world is flat.
Well, so do I. Everybody knows that.
I'm quite confident that rough calculations are not part of the procedure when dealing with aviation, and that complex systems and subsequent formulas and calculations are commonplace within the world's leading space agency. If the Earth was truly a spinning ball, yet all the equations, formulas, calculations regarding the design and functionality, the navigational capabilities and equipment, as well as overall safety, were all based on formulas derived from the exact opposite conditions we would expect to experience on a rotating sphere, disaster would surely follow. Maybe I'm missing the boat on the purpose of these official documents, but it also seems to me that if cost effectiveness is part of the argument, wouldn't it be more cost effective to start with the assumption that the Earth is the rotating space ball that they claim it is, so as to minimize the potential for failure due to the inappropriate application of formulas and calculations right from the start of the aeronautical design? You know, just a little something else to think about. Another comment that got my attention was that I was being confirmation biased. Maybe. Well, it wouldn't sound that way if NASA was not using formulas and calculations based on a flat, non-rotating Earth, but rather the assumed reality of a rotating sphere that they set before us. I also would not be presenting videos that clearly show NASA faking everything from the moon missions to the current-day ISS if video footage of this obvious deception was not available directly from NASA themselves. So confirmation bias or not, it is what it is. So that's about all I have for this video, without dragging it out for over an hour, of course. So to my friends and family, realize, realize, realize. I'm trying to give you your sight back. Please wake up, and please try to wake up others. Thank you.